Hello guys, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to do a HackTheBox starting point machine that's called Meow. It's a starting point in HackTheBox. If you wanna get into the pen testing, this is a perfect platform, app.hackthebox.com, and start with this Meow. And I'm really enjoying this setup. So we have this IP, and we have to answer these questions in order. And in the last, we have to get this root flag. So we start here. We have set up already our VPN. I can show you my IP. This is my IP, VPN IP on this TUN interface. So we ping this IP. We can access this one, and let's resolve this first in our DNS list. So we can do something like, okay, we can mousepad. Ah, IP. What's the name of the machine? Meow.htb. In order, if this, okay. So we start with the nmap and we get all of the, okay, we already have this one. First, we're going to start with the nmap and we're gonna look at all of the open ports. And once we get the once if we identify the open ports, then we're gonna look at the services running on those ports and the versions of those ports, and we're gonna look at if they are vulnerable or not, or something like that. So before we finish this, let's go to here and so what is the IP? Meow.htb, MEOW. Meow. Is it hosting any website? No. We can do one thing. OW.htb. It was refusing connections. We can do one more thing. Meanwhile, we get the all open ports and closed ports. We can do like use GoBuster since it is not hosting anything. So it's not good to run this one right now. But what we can do nmap dash, we just run normal like meow.htb. Let's see if it, okay, it's showing us the port 23 is open. We don't need to full scan the, uh, we don't need to wait for these results, and we can just look at the version dash p 23. Num tab is not open. sv dash p 23. Meanwhile, we can try to connect TLDR telnet. Okay, this is a tool or utility that you can that can give you a basic syntax how to use a tool. So uh, right now this tool does not have any documentation with regarding the telnet, but we can check that like telnet that help, and it should give us the basics. So we have telnet, Linux system is running. We don't have much information. Telnet, oh, meow.htb. We have some options here. We have login dash eagle for login. We also got the login here. So we can try the default ones like admin, 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 password, admin, password one. These are the most common ones that are usually set as default. Root, admin, root, admin work. Okay, I guess it didn't ask for the password before I gave the password, and it already accepted that the root login. That means it is the root is, I guess, by default set with this one. It might be by default one, so you don't care. Okay, select it. Was it that easy? Uh, when I started this machine, it was a bit. I found it a bit difficult, but since I have done a number of machines now, I felt like it's a piece of cake. So it's really easy one. So now we can go to the website where we have to answer the number of questions, and we can look at all those answers. What does the acronym VM stand for? That's virtual machine. The virtual machine on which we are running. This is our Kali machine. And what tool do we use to interact with the operating system in order to issue the commands via the command line, such as the one VPN? I think that is terminal. Yeah, we use this terminal to interact with the system. What do we use to perform our VPN connection? We use OpenVPN. Uh, I just exit here. Uh, if I go to tier one and here OpenVPN, and I have a file here OpenVPN, so we use this OpenVPN tool, and then we give the VPN file to connect with the VPN connection to establish a VPN connection. So this is the this service we use VPN, OpenVPN. And what tool do we use to test our connection with the target with an ICMP? ICMP, you can always think about ping command. Again, I mean something like ping and meow meow.htb. This is the ping command, and this is related to the ICMP. You are just checking the connectivity with the machine if it's on and connected with you or not. What is the name of the most common tool for finding open ports? We used here Nmap. This is the most common tool we use to find the open ports. There are services running on those ports and the version of those ports, operating system running behind. Yeah, there's a lot of option. You can just do like Nmap, and it will give you a lot of information how to use this tool. Moreover, what you can do is just install this TLDR utility, and then you can do Nmap, uh, Nmap TLDR. Okay, so there's no documentation available against the TLD against the Nmap tool in TLDR, but there are some tail tools like GoBuster. What the heck? TLDR. Are you available or no? It is TLDR. Not found. I don't know why it's not working, but what we wanted to do, I will look at it later. But we have to answer the rest of the questions. What is the name of the most common tool for finding open ports on a target? That is Nmap. We just saw that. And what service do we identify on point 23? That was the telnet one that we were connected with here. Port 23, we have telnet, and as we connected telnet, or you can also do like the -A to log in, or without this, you can also connect with this one. And then what username is available to log into the target over the telnet with a blank password? Oh, it was a blank password. So the root username is available. We just connected with the root. We gave the root here, and we logged in. This admin, we didn't need this admin. We just hit enter, and it will work. And then we had the root flag, and we just submitted it here, and it's worked. So time to terminate the machine, and we can do the rest of the machines in the other videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.